Hello families, my name is Felicia Wright and I am a family consultant and I focus on family remedies, and that includes remedies in health, education, and well-being. So I'm making this video. I'm super excited. I've been getting a lot of questions about homeschooling lately, so I decided to do a live workshop. This is not the live workshop, obviously, but I wanted to make this video to let you know that I will be hosting this live workshop. The live workshop is going to be all about homeschooling. So if you have just started homeschooling or you've been homeschooling for a while and you just have a lot of questions and there's some things that you're struggling with, this workshop is for you. I am a certified teacher. I used to be in the classroom and now I am a homeschooling mom. My kids also go to a tutor, so I've created our own schedule. And if that's something that you're thinking about too, definitely hop on this workshop. And even if you just aren't considering that and you just need help with things at home, hop on this workshop. The live homeschooling workshop, I'm going to be hosting it January 31st, so this month at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. And I'm hoping that you can hop online because if you have specific questions, I'll be able to see your feed and answer your questions right then and there. And that is going to be the exciting part. So to sign up for this workshop, there's a link in the description below. Just click on it and make sure you sign up. That way you're reminded of when the workshop is going on and to hop on live. And if you can't hop on live, you'll get a replay as well, so you can actually see the video and see what other people asked, and then maybe that answers your question as well. So some of the things that I'm going to be going over is how to start homeschooling, some legal aspects of it, where to go for resources, how to get started on a limited budget, how I would get started if I was starting all over from a teacher's perspective, going over the basics of homeschooling, all those things. So if you have a lot of questions, definitely in the link below, the very first link below, I'll put it somewhere below where you can see it easily. Make sure you sign up and I will send you a couple of emails just to remind you that it's going on. Again, that's January 31st at 3 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. So I hope to see you there. I'm actually really excited. I am working on putting the workshop together. And if you have some burning questions right now, leave them in the comments below. Let me know what they are so I make sure that when I do the workshop, I'm answering some of the questions that you've already put out there. So that would help me as well. So I hope that was helpful. I will see you on the next video. I'll see you at the workshop. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.